Food to me is just a tool. For me, my first love is restaurants, and I believe to have a great restaurant and great concept, you need good food. I'm Deuki. I'm super excited to be partnering with Local Crate for this Korean fried chicken recipe. The biggest differentiation between Korean fried chicken and every other fried chicken is that we fry ours twice. The Korean fried chicken batter is a very key component of this dish. It's AP flour, potato starch, and a little bit of baking powder, and really cold water. If you have sparkling water, that's even better. All those little mini bubbles fry around, and that's where you get those air pockets. The cold batter with the really hot oil is what creates that crisp skin also. Gochujang, which is actually soybean paste that's flavored with Korean sun-dried like chili peppers. And it's also fermented, and we cut that with any natural sweetness. Put some sesame seeds on there for that nuttiness, so you hit all kind of these notes. I think the product of the ingredients that you get is key to everything. I love that in San Francisco, in California, I have access to an incredible pantry and produce.